All right, let's jump right in. We're gonna break down 7 mistakes holding you back and exactly how to fix them.
Let's be honest for a second. Looks really matter. It's the very first thing people notice about you.
In a crowd, a great look makes people value you. If not, you kind of get lost in the background.
Now, this journey isn't for everyone. It really takes guts to face these things head on. First up, that dull, oily skin. If the sun makes your face dark and greasy, it kills your whole look. Here's a super simple fix. Just mix these kitchen ingredients and slap that paste on twice a week. Also, use sunscreen. Seriously, this simple step stops your skin from getting dark and damaged. It's a must.
Next, you're probably not cleaning your face right. All that gunk from pollution clogs your pores and pop, acne.
And please, whatever you do, stop using body soap on your face. It's way too harsh, just dries you out.
Instead, grab a face wash with these ingredients. They'll brighten you up and fight that acne for you.
Mistake number 3, your diet. You just can't put garbage in and expect your skin to glow. And get this, it's kind of wild how much junk food affects you. I mean, just look at those numbers.
The fix is surprisingly simple. Neem leaves in warm water, it's a total detox for better skin and hair.
Moving on to mistake number 4, your hair. The wrong style can make you look like a kid.
See? A clean forehead projects power and confidence.
So, you gotta ditch those childish cuts for a sharper look.
All right, let's talk lips. If they're dark and chapped, it's just a major turnoff. No way around it. But hey, you can fix it right at home with this simple scrub. Twice a week, and you're good to go.
Having a bright face but a dark neck or elbows, it's just an inconsistent look that kills your confidence.
Here's another quick paste to fix that. Just apply it daily to those spots till they start to fade. And finally, the real game changer. This last one, it might be the root of all the other problems.
If you're always tired, have a weak voice, or dull skin, this right here could be the reason why.
The solution isn't some magic product. It's a lifestyle change. Discipline literally transforms your body's chemistry. I'm telling you, fix these 7 things today. I guarantee you'll be a new person in just 30 days.
So, your transformation can start right now. The only question is, are you actually ready for it?